Hi, this is Anastasia from Technology Around Me. In this video, I will show you how to import list of events into the Google Calendar using a simple spreadsheet. Let's go. So here I have an open Google Calendar, and we have Create Event button, Mini Calendar, and My Calendars. Personal reminders. So let's create a new calendar. Drop down button, create new calendar. Fill out the calendar name. I am typing School Fall 2017. In the description, add a relevant description. So I will copy paste what I have prepared. Create calendar. Warning, making your calendar public will make all events visible to the world, including via Google search. Are you sure? Yes, I am definitely sure to do that. So waiting a second for calendar to appear. Here it is. Let's click on this drop down to change the color quickly, as well as click on it again to review other available options for us. Calendar settings was one of them. View trash, create event, share this calendar, edit notifications, send to a friend. Click on calendar settings. These are the same settings as before, except for embedding, calendar address, private address. These are all sharing options for this calendar. Let's go back to the main calendar and click on this drop down. Create new calendar and settings. We're interested in settings right here. Scroll down in the settings window and click on import calendar. In the new pop-up window, we get an area where we can choose the file that contains the events and choose the calendar into which these events should be saved. And I will show you how to create the file according to the Google Calendar format. Here is my template. Header subject contains the titles of every event. I added various events here to provide variety. Start date mentions the start date. Start time is another header. End date and end time are here as well. So columns B, C, D, and E here allocate time to the event mentioned in column 1. Do not delete any of the columns. Do not delete anything in row 1. Each field is important for proper import of every event. So if the start date and end date, columns B and D here, are the same, just leave the D column, end date, empty. The next field is all day event. It can take values of true or false. Therefore, if it's an all day event, you can enter true. In our case, it's false. Description and location will add additional details to the event. In my event, the points are assigned there. Private can take values of true or false, and I set my calendar to be public. Therefore, all the values are false. If your calendar is private, set it to true. Now let's save, and we're saving this document in the comma separated values format. It is important, and I wanted to resave it again so you will notice that is comma separated values format. Now let's go back to our Google Calendar and import this document. File, choose file. I will sort them by date. To see the latest one, select and click on Open. Calendar selected properly, import. Process 37 events, close. Back to the calendar. And now we need to activate the calendar. See, it doesn't have color next to it. Click on it. We got our events. Let's take a look at them. Next screen. All are here. Different view options are available in the top right. We will look at the month view. where it is really convenient to rearrange the tasks based on the other activities. Just drag and drop is much easier than creating the new assignments overall. As I'm almost done moving things around, I would like to take a look at the 7 days view and agenda. 7 days view provides a week. Agenda shows all the tasks here. On the bottom, you can click on look for more to check whether there's something that doesn't fit the screen, and look for more. We don't have anything more. Collapse and expand. Expanding all tasks provides an easy small navigation to modify some assignments right here. Collapsing back, and then we'll click on today in the top left corner. Agenda view is convenient because you can print all of this agenda. Click on more drop down, there's print button, or refresh if there was some changes. This concludes our tutorial. Now you know how to create a new calendar and import a list of events from a spreadsheet. Visit our blog to download the spreadsheet that was used in this video and to subscribe to the newsletter. We send out useful college-related information. Thank you for watching.